Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm about to be doing a slime video for you guys. So I just came back from the store, preferably the Dollar Tree. I live right up the street from the Dollar Tree, so I just went ham because I'm going to do a video for you guys because I haven't done one for a long time. And there's a fly, so don't mind that. And I got my nails done. I love yellow nails, so this did not come from the Dollar Tree, and I've used it. And sorry, disclaimer. Sorry, I got a whole bunch of bags full. Got this. I just wanted to try this out, but it's like, oh, this is heavy. It's some clay. Just wanted to try that out. And I just got some baby powder. I just seen these and they're like little beads. So got that. That's it for that bag. And got 2 of these little containers. 5 packets of containers. Right there. I got this from Walmart. And this, I got this from Dollar Tree too. And this, this, I got a whole bunch more glue. I'm just pull out that. And I got another one. This was in my room. Got some shaving cream. And some lotion. And like, where's your activator? Right here, girl. I got it. I got it. So I got all of this, guys. All of it. Like, baby girl. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna move half of this stuff. So I'm gonna move this to the side. Then this. Okay, it's just gonna be everywhere, guys. So I just gotta set it up to where y'all can see my bowl and stuff. Over there. And I got my little container. Let me open this. I thought I broke it. Got this. Put that over here. Let me take this off. No, actually I'm not. Because it really don't matter. So, okay. And I got my little spoon. So I'm going to pour this glue in. Sorry, y'all. Get that out the camera. Okay, y'all. Okay, but then I have it over the bowl. So I'm going to pour this in. And they're like, I can't see. I'm sorry. It looks weird because I have a clear bowl and a shirt in the background. Most of the glue out because when I'm done with it, like I keep it sometimes for activator bottles or sometimes, but I bought one. And like when you keep it for a long time and you keep it upside this way, a lot of the glue still be in it. Like you gotta keep your bottles because you still want to make slime because it really be having like a lot left. So I'm gonna put some clear glue. You want to see that? That should be enough. And then I'm gonna mix that. Oh my god, it's thick. Baby girl. Y'all like, why she looks like that? Guys, I'm sorry. I say baby girl, period, everything a lot. So I'm sorry. Bear with me. This thing is really big. Alright, so got this all combined together. Y'all can see. As y'all can see. I got blue color, but I didn't want to bring it because this has colors. So yeah. I'm just gonna do that. Like this. Mix it up with some shaving cream. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. shake it. Like shaving cream, when you have a fluffy slime, sorry guys, when you have a fluffy slime, like when you let it sit, it's not fluffy anymore because like the shaving cream, like it's like it's hard to say, like what is it called? Like it goes down. You see, it's already trying to turn into slime. Look. It's already trying to turn into slime now. I think this has a some type of activator because every time I put shaving cream in, it does that. Let me put the cap back on. Y'all, this might be a long video, but please bear with me. Y'all, my arm is already getting tired. But yeah. How's y'all summer going? If it's summer for you, comment down below. And then I'm going to take some lotion. Y'all see, sorry my lighting's bad. Got some daily moisturizer lotion from the Dollar Tree. It's a big one today. So let me just put some of that in there. That should be enough. Let me smell it. It smells good. It smells real good. So let me mix that up. And it's already gonna turn the color because of the game. I didn't want to take it off because it's gonna have like those little marks of the thing, but it's straight. I think I need some more. Oh, gotta put my baby powder. Look. Go da-da-da-da. Pop, 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 pop. That smells good, guys. So I'll just put some of that in there. That should be enough. Alright, how would do it? That was great shots. My bad, y'all. I'm gonna clean the table up when I get done with the video. Cause slime is messy, guys. Slime is really messy. Comment down below which phone should I get. Should I get the XR or X Max? And if you say XR, comment down below what color of the phone. And start. Cause I'm putting everything up in here, so whoa. Guys, this is really bothering me here. I don't like that. Y'all, this is how the slime is looking so far. It's just plain white. It's a weird texture though, but I don't know. Hopefully it's cute though. I'm just a little bit there. Cornstarch gives you a slime is like a weird texture. And yeah, that's enough. I'm trying to hurry up for you guys so it won't be too long. So yeah. But yeah, how are you guys' summers going? If you're in school or not. How's your summer or school going? Hopefully you're still out of school, but never know. Okay. Now I still got some what's the name on here, but I can't get it. Okay guys, I'm texting. Let's do that on. Okay, so that's it guys for the ingredients. So I'm going to get some game. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Pour some. And I'm addicted to smelling stuff. It smells so good though. So let me put that right there. So I don't waste it. So I'll just sprinkle this everywhere. And the Dollar Tree glue, I've tried it one time. It worked. And then I went back and tried it again. It didn't work. So I was like, huh? video.
Bro, fuck that video.
Yeah, my sister gets on my nerves. What is that? My sister. Shut up. Okay, y'all. Kinda activating. It's getting green. Let me spray this in there. Sorry guys, it's up to lie. I love summer, but I hate it because flies come. Okay, I think I overactivated it. But I got, in this clay, I'm just trying it out for the first time. The colors are white, pink, red, orange, yellow, green, dark green, light blue, dark blue, purple, brown, and black. I will probably never use the brown one, but yeah, I might use the white one today. Okay guys, so it's like this right now, so I'm gonna have to like get my hands dirty. I don't know why I'm gonna set this spatula, but either way, wherever I set it, I'm gonna get but let me just set it right there, I don't care. Let me fill my top up so when I need it, I can just, okay y'all, it's getting together. It's coming together, guys. I just need a little bit more. I should put some more shaving cream because I want it to be fluffy, but you know how stuff be. I'll put some more in there to get it good. I just bought this because my mom sometimes, she be trying to trip when I use her stuff, but sometimes she never know. My sister just be like leaving hints like, is your washing powder empty? She be like, no, why? And she be like, cause she used it. But yeah. Do not come in my video looking a hot mess. No. Okay. Yeah, that's my little ugly sister. That is my sister. Hi, girlie.
Riley, your number one fan.
Don't let her knock her down. Oh, I shouldn't have did that. I shouldn't have did 2 hands. Let me put all this in there. What's she trying to get the paper towels?
She's trying to help you.
She's trying to be like, clean up, Amy.
She your number one fan.
Y'all, it's my niece and my sister in the background. I told you about all this stuff. Fix it. Fix it. It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. Oh my. Thank you. Ooh, y'all like this one. I pay like different types of stuff.